Come, let us prepare, make some good profits today. Market made very, very beautiful moves today. Let's talk about that in today's video. Bigger moves are coming. You have to know where they are coming from. I will talk to you about them in today's video. You have to watch out for this. Watch out for the 5-day moving average together with the 20-day moving average, because this will determine very important indicators later. Let's talk about that. But before that, intraday analysis. Now at 10:45, 10:54, very importantly, this was very crucial because we identified the blue algorithm there. Now, once you're able to identify the blue algorithm, it gets very easy. Now, seeing the magenta building liquidity here, you see that beautiful right shoulder, isn't it? But you waited for the cup to close at that 20-day moving average, which is indicated by that squiggly line, and you see that secondary right shoulder that's building. Absolutely beautiful. And just take a look, it is exactly as it is, especially if you identify the very important blue algorithm right there and the 20-day moving average, obviously. So beautiful trades here. Now I got two very beautiful 100% trade, one over here, that's a 100% trade right there, and one more here on the break of the secondary blue, also another 100% trade right there. Now it's absolutely beautiful. You just have to learn to identify the algorithms and trade as structure demands. Now near to the end, you see the lack of selling continuation. We stopped selling and nearing to the end here, especially near to power hour, and this is where you see that the cups will start closing. Now I talked about that here as well at 12:56, but I mentioned that we ran out of runway here. So this yellow algorithm here, this is very important for tomorrow. I want to talk a little bit about that. Now be very careful about final 30-minute movements, because there is beautiful liquidity right here. This will be very crucial. Pay close attention to the 640.84 level as we talk about the second half of the video. Now you see me do this every single day, so you're not missing out. Always remember that. And there's always profits to be found in the charts every single day. Even for small moves, you can get very beautiful profits, as you've seen every single day as we are doing this. So stay focused. Let's wrap up the week strong Thursday and